Muslims usually make that mistake more than once on every page of the Holy Quran. Because of this one mistake, they end up reading the 9,000 words of the Holy Quran incorrectly. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm your Quran teacher. So today, inshallah Azawajal, I'm going to share a simple rule that will help you correctly pronounce 9,000 words in the Holy Quran. So let's get started. In Arabic grammar, there is a concept called Maddah letters, which means stretching certain letters. So there are three types of Madda: Alif Madda, Waw Madda, and Ya Madda. Each has a specific rule. So the Alif Madda rule is when there is a Fatha, when there is a Zabr before an Alif, it becomes Alif Madda. So let me give you one example for the alif madda rule. Look at there is alif, and before that alif there is a zabr, there is a fatha sign on the before letter of alif. So that's why that is a alif madda rule. So the waw madda rule is when there is a dhamma, when there is a pesh before a waw sakina, it becomes waw madda. Yeah, look at there. In this example, there is a waw, the waw sakina. Look at there, that waw have a jazm sign on it, and before that there is a dhamma, there is a page sign before the waw sakina. So that's why this is a waw madda rule in this word. The ya madda rule is when there is a zair, when there is a kasra before a ya sakina, it becomes ya madda. Yes, mashallah azawajal. So let me give you one example for the ya madda rule. Look at there in this example. So there is a ya sakina. Look at there, that ya have a jazm sign on it. So that's why this ya is called, this ya is sakina. So before that ya sakina, there is a kasra, there is a zair before the ya sakina. So that's why this is a ya madda rule. Okay, mashallah azawajal. So you should pronounce the letters of madda by stretching them for about 1 second. By applying this rule, inshallah azawajal, you will correct your pronunciation of 9,000 words in the Holy Quran. So let me give you some more examples from the Holy Quran. So look at this page. In this, on that page, the first word wa idha. So there is a the. We are going to pronounce that the with stretching, because look at there is a alif, and before that alif there is a zabr, there is a fatha on zal. So that's why this one alif madda rule, because we read about the alif madda, when there is a fatha before an alif, it becomes alif madda, and we read about the letters of madda, we will pronounce them by stretching them up to 1 second. So that's why we will pronounce the with stretching for 1 second. So wa idha, and in the next word there is qila, wa idha qila. So look at there, qi. We are going to pronounce that qi with stretching because there is a ya sakina, and before that ya sakina there is a kasra, there is a zir, and we read about, so that means there is a ya madda rule. Because the ya madda rule is when there is before, if there is a kasra, if there is a zir before a ya sakina, it becomes ya madda. So that's why we will pronounce it with stretching. Wa idha qila lahum la tufsidu. So here is a la, again alif madda rule, because there is a alif, and before that alif there is a fatha zabr. So that's why this one alif madda, and we will pronounce it with stretching. La tufsidu. Again there is waw madda rule, that's why we will pronounce the do with stretching, because there is a waw sakina, because that waw have a jazm on it, so that's why it's a waw sakina, and before that waw sakina there is a dhamma pesh on the dal, so that's why we will pronounce the dal with stretching. La tufsidu fil ardi. Look at this word, is that ya madda or not? Look at there is a ya, and before that ya there is a kasra, there is a zir. So is that ya madda or not? No, it's not a ya madda, because we read about the ya madda rule when there is a ya sakina, and before that ya sakina there is kasra, but there is a kasra sign before the ya, but that ya is not sakina. Okay, because look at there is no any sign on the ya. The ya sakina mean when the ya have a jazm sign on it, but there is no any jazm sign, so that's why this is not the ya madda rule. We will pronounce that fa with the letter lam, which have a jazm sign on it. So inshallah azza wa jal, we will explore that thing why we are not going to pronounce that ya and alif in this word, inshallah, in any other next lessons, inshallah azza wa jal. So this one is not ya madda, that's why we are not going to pronounce it with stretching. Like we will pronounce it fil ardi qalu. Look at there is qa alif madda, and the next one is waw madda. That's why we will pronounce both of them with stretching. قالوا إنما, again alif madda, نحن مصلحون, and there is one more waw madda rule. So the complete verse is like that. وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمْ لَا تُفْسِدُوا فِي الْأَرْضِ قَالُوا إِنَّمَا نَحْنُ مُصْلِحُونَ. So tell me in the comments how many times these rules are applying, like the alif madda, waw madda, and ya madda rules, are the letters of madda are applying in these next 4 lines. So tell me in the comments how many times these are in these 4 lines. If you found this video helpful,
Online
please
Islamic
follow our
School,
page and
a
like the
name
video.
of
And if
quality
you have
education.
any question about your Quran Tajweed, so leave a comment in the comment box. Inshallah Azza wa Jal, I will respond or make a video on it. So don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members to earn the rewards. Inshallah Azza wa Jal. So see you in the next video. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.